from the mathematics to the statistical knowledge behind machine learning. These are the books that I'm currently reading, helping me advance my skills in machine learning and data science. I've broken these books into 4 categories. That is machine learning, mathematics, statistics, and the language that are being used when implementing these concepts of machine learning. You don't have to be a genius in mathematics for you to get into this career of machine learning. There are some few concepts for you to at least master, for you to have an edge in machine learning. And for today, there are 2 books that I would highly recommend to you guys out there. One will be Why Machines Learn by Anil. This book helps you to know the fundamental concepts behind why machines learn from the data. Helps you to know actually how a machines learn from data using the concepts such as the linear algebra, the calculus, and the probability to advanced levels of neural networks. So I'd highly recommend Why Machines Learn. And then the other book will be Mathematics for Machine Learning. This book also tackles the fundamentals of linear algebra, the calculus, and probability in the first chapter. And then when you go to the advanced, it has 2 chapters mostly. Chapter 1 covers the fundamental concepts behind machine learning. That is the linear algebra, the calculus, and the probability. And then chapter 2, that's where the neural networks comes in, and the advanced concepts of the autoencoders. I highly recommend those 2 books. And mathematics plays a major key role in machine learning. You can't opt in machine learning without knowing mathematics. Otherwise, implementation of algorithms and optimization of these algorithms will be a very, very hard task for you as a machine learning engineer without knowing the concepts behind the mathematics of all of this. So first of all, you don't have to be a genius in mathematics for you to get into this career, but at least you have to know the fundamentals that are behind all of this. The second category is machine learning. There are many books that teach machine learning, but by far the book that I found helpful for beginners, from all the way from the beginner level to advanced concepts in neural networks and autoencoders, would be Hands-on Machine Learning with Scikit-learn and TensorFlow. This book not only helps you know the problems that are being faced in machine learning, but also gives you the core concepts behind the fundamentals in machine learning, such as linear regression, logistic regression, optimization of the algorithms, down to implementation of your algorithms. This book also helps you to get into an edge into practicing your. This book can also help you to practice end-to-end projects. Like for example, for me, at the moment, I'm on chapter 3. Just finished chapter 2. Chapter 2 is all about end-to-end project. Chapter 3 is all about classification problems. Chapter 2 was all about end-to-end regressional problem, and then chapter 3 is all about classification end-to-end. So this book not only helps you to practice what you have learned, but also gives you the juice behind all these concepts, behind all the optimization, behind all the problem solving and the code for all of it. So I would highly recommend it. I would highly recommend for you to start right away when you have just started reading. I haven't started reading statistics. but the book that I would recommend would be Practical Statistics for Data Scientists. I've heard really good things about this book from experts that I follow on YouTube to the bloggers that I follow on machine learning. This book is actually good. It helps you to know the statistical concepts. As you know, data science or machine learning it is not only about the code, but it's also about the statistics of the data, the business side of it, the mathematical side of it, and everything. So practical statistics for data science, it's actually helpful, though I haven't started reading it. I'm currently reading my hands-on machine learning and also mathematics for machine learning. Hopefully finishing them by this year, starting next year with some whole new books to read. Yeah, so practical statistics for data science, for those who are versatile into these fundamentals, or for those who actually have gained some concepts in the fundamentals behind machine learning, you can opt into such statistics. At this stage, I'm personally using Python, and yeah, there are two major languages that are being used for machine learning and data science. That is Python and SQL. The Python side of it is all about the data manipulation, so about the implementation of the models, the data visualization and everything. And then the SQL side of it is all about getting your data, preparing your data, and visualization of your data into SQL. So at the moment, I'm reading some tutorials, mastering the core concepts behind Python, such as the loops, such as the functions, the classes, and the models. Those are really helpful when you're implementing models onto the other side of machine learning. You have to know the core concepts. You have to know the lists, how to implement lists, how to do some implementation of loops.